How to check last seen on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. At the top right corner of your screen, tap on the direct message icon. Scroll through your list of conversations. Below their profile name, you will have active status. If you can't find it, tap on the chat and look at the top. Under the person's name, you should see their last seen status, like active now or active minutes or hours ago. If you can't see the last seen status, it may be the case you turn off activity status. To confirm that, go back to the home page. At the bottom right, click on the profile menu. In the profile page, at the top right, click on the 3 horizontal lines. Here, now click on the Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to How Others Can Interact with You section and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Now, in the pop-up page, click on Show Activity Status. Here, toggle on Show Your Activity Status and go back to your Messages icon and tap on it. Even though you can't see it, this is the clear indication that they turn off their activity status. And that's it.